Before you begin, remove the top cover. Removal. Carefully disconnect the wireless antenna cables from the wireless module by grasping the connector with a small pair of needle nose pliers or tweezers. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the wireless module to the base enclosure. Grasp the wireless module by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Replacement. Align the notch in the wireless module with the key in the wireless module slot on the system board. Gently insert the wireless module into its slot on the system board. Replace the 3mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the wireless module to the base enclosure. Reconnect the wireless antenna cables to the wireless module.